I sing this song because not only is Mauna Kea such a huge issue for Hawaii, but it truly is a huge issue for the rest of the world. It's not only where developments such as these are affecting places like Hawaii and nowhere else in the world. It's happening throughout the entire world. And I want to be mindful of that. There's certain things and certain changes we can do to prolong the life of Earth and really our true legacy for our future and our children. If you have more questions or more interest in finding out how you can help, just check out kahea.org. That's kahea, K-A-H-E-A. Kahea in Hawaiian means to call out. But here's this beautiful mele, Mauna Kea. My friends and we would often roam the trails of Mauna Kea, and in the evenings we go home and see her standing there. The moon moves around her when she sleeps. The clouds stand beside her when she weeps. And I could be forgotten and 1,000 miles away, and still I would